What's up, YouTube? Got something new in for the, I guess you can say, for the Ducati. Right here. That's right, guys, it's a lift for the bike. So I could do oil changes, any type of mod or anything like that for the bike. I could do it myself. It's bad weather out, so I got the bike on a trickle charger and it's covered up basically for winter. So, but whenever the temperature gives up to about 45 or 50, that's when I usually go on rides in the winter time. But anyway, so this is how it comes in. So the lift comes in on a pallet. The FedEx driver was actually gracious enough to actually pull it into the to my garage. So let's get to unpacking this thing. Let's see if I can find a part number for it. I'll put the link in the description below also. Right there. Alright guys, so let's unpack it. Just want to take note, this is how I came in case something is broken. You can see why. So, see, this is all chipped in here. So that's the condition it came in, so buyer beware. Alright, let's get the... Alright guys, got it unpacked. That's what it looks like here. I'm not digging that. The red's like a different color than that. And that looks kind of cheap. As you see, it's not totally installed. I still have to install that part there. And there's the directions. But pull the directions out. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Alright guys, here's the directions right here. You guys can pause that. There if you want to see. Here's the wheel chock. That's what I have to install right there. Goes in the front. I think it made more sense right now to set it up like this so I can actually roll the bike in frontwards and still have room to work in the front of it. So here's the diagram. You guys can see that with the glare. The diagram right here. You guys probably can't see any of that, but anyway, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna install this wheel chock on there. I'm gonna most likely upgrade it to a better one because this doesn't look too, I don't know, it's kind of flimsy. But all right, we'll get to that in a minute. All right, guys, as you see, I got it all together. Got the chalk in, holders in, those are in. Got this installed back here. Got the pump and the release. As you see, it's up, so obviously I've been testing it. It works, but I'm just not totally satisfied with the quality of it. As you see, I bought it brand new, so as you see, like right here, it's like right there, it's painted over. Looks like it's spray painted over. This looks like it's been used. This is spray painted here. Right here on the wheel chock. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a mark right here. There's a scratch right here. There's another right here. Yeah, so I bought a brand new one, and at least I paid for a brand new one. Right here, it's being used. Right here is a big scratch here. So yeah, I'm not really satisfied with it. Emailed and filed a complaint with the company, but didn't get back to me about it. This doesn't look brand new to me, so. But anyway, and then to further go into this thing, as I was lowering the stand, this little metal piece broke off right here and snapped. As you see, I had to put a homemade nail in here. It helps to release it, and it helps to lower the stand down. So that's another cheap part right there. Obviously, for setting that, I mean, and this is with no weight on the stand at all. No weight, just testing it up and down. So yeah, I'm not really too satisfied with it so far. But we're going to try and put the bike up there and see if it works. I'm a little nervous, so pray for me on it. Hopefully nothing happens to that as I'm putting it on there. So first we got to lower it down. I'm going to move the safety stand out. Put that there. Get that out the way. And also I had to push these, put these down and stand down, so the actual stand doesn't move as I'm trying to put my bike on. And also I had to do that so I can actually install the release lever. So let's see, I can put that up like that. Alright, you see what I'm saying? Like that thing right there. That's one of my personal screws right there. Well, nail I had to put in, not a screw, sorry, nail. So definitely cheaply made. The quality is not good at all, but we'll get into this. Press this down. See, slowing all the way down. So we know that works. All right, let me set you guys up, and then we'll get this thing up here and see how it works and try to lift it up. All right. All right, guys. As you see, I got the floor down. Got another dilemma. This right here, the wheel chock. This is about the cheapest wheel chock I ever imagined in my life. Not only that, it won't fit. Well, it does. I mean, the bike does fit on here, but whenever I go to put it on there, this disc, it's like getting really close to rubbing on this disc. So, I guess I kind of have to stop the video here until I get a decent wheel chock in for up here. I'm gonna take that off, and once I get a better one in, I'll put it on top of here, and then we'll finally see. I can finally put the bike on the lift and see if the actual lift will lift my bike up. But for now, I'm gonna end it right here until I get one in. I ordered one already. I know what I want, and it's gonna be red to match this. So overall, with the Titan, what's this, Titan ramps motorcycle lift, I'm not too satisfied with it right now. All right, guys. So I'm in the video here. It does lift on its own with no weight, but once I get a better chock, I'll show you guys and see if it works then. And also, I did file a complaint with the company as far as the quality of it, because like I said, it looks like it's used. They have yet to get back at me, so looks like I'm stuck with this thing. So I'll let you guys know, and you'll see more videos as it goes. If it works, it does not work, and then I'll update you guys from there. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.